Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will talk about how to use Jira for the beginners. So if you're a beginner, or if you have a startup agency or a team, or if you are managing any project, then Jira is a good choice. So you can go with the Jira for managing your project perfectly with the plan, so you don't get distracted or your team won't get distracted. So from here, Jira is a task management application that actually help you in different way, like here. So you can launch any product with that, or launch any plan, so you can scale your knowledge, you can deliver service faster, you can record, share and collaborate with your teammates, and then ideate faster than ever. So from here you can find the demo. Like here it is a simple demo here that actually a video is not playing right now. If I just reloaded it, then you can find that it is just showing how you can actually create the basic thing on Jira. So you can follow up this video from here, and also you can see the how much people are actually working with Jira. So you can find like different types of softwares. You can find project management section here. You can actually go with the marketing. If you're a marketer, the marketing strategy, you can select them. You can go with the marketing strategy. You can manage your project here. You can manage your designs plan. You can also manage your IT based firm or company from here. And now let's get into the video. So actually how you can actually sign up for Jira. So you have to simply click on get started. So but before that, don't get confused. Like you, I'm talking about Zero, but you are watching this Atlassian. Well, actually, Zira has just converted to this company like Atlassian. So we all know that Zira, which is actually Zira, is now Atlassian. So don't get distracted. The app is actually the same. It has just changed their interface and the name. So here you can see there are other their dashboard here. You can see the name here, Jira. So you can search for Jira. So you can find this Atlassian app website that are actually suggested by Google. So you simply click on get started. Now from here you can log into your account or sign up for a new account with using your Google account, Microsoft account, Apple account, or your Slack account from here. So also you can manually go with your work mail. So I'm going to continue with my Google account here. So I'm going to select my Google account and simply give the permission. So I'm going to simply click on this continue button here. Now you have to wait until it as here you can see create your account. So you have to name and enter your full name here. So then simply click on continue. Now here it is. So it will make sure that creating your account, please confirm you are not robot. You have to go with this captcha. So here you can see it has just verified me as a human, just one click here. So simply click on this create your account. Now here is your site. It will create your site here. So this URL you can use. This actually this suffix will help you to create a domain for you, custom domain that this the link you can actually share with your teammates or others. Now simply click on continue. So it will create a simple site for you. Now here you can see it is just creating. You can change it anytime if you want. So what kind of work do you do? So like you have to select what kind of work you want to do. I'm going to select project management here. So it could be a different type of project. So you can go with this Kanban. So manage and track Agile work plus integrate developer tools like GitHub. Then you can go with this project management, like designed to help business teams to manage work with list and calendars view, and Scrum, plan, prioritize and schedule sprints using Scrum framework. So you can go any of this template from here. So I'm going to get this project management, and here are our accounts. So here is here you can see it is loading. So it's loading the Jira. So you have to wait until it loads your dashboard. So here it is. So here you can see you can accept the cookies. So it can make a better performance. It can make personalized for you. So here it will ask for some question from you. Name your project. So first thing, it's the first project that you have to name, like video creation. So how familiar are you with Jira? So if you are not familiar, you're the first time or the fresher on Jira, so you can go with this not familiar or somewhat or familiar. So I'm going to get the somewhat here. Now get started. Now what types of work do you need? So what type of work you need? So like feature, task also, and none of this actually. Now next, now how do you track work? So how do you track works? Like idea, you can create idea, then you can create to-do list according to your idea that what have to do for your team. Then in progress works, the interview works, and the completion done. It's the perfect list for you to manage your work or track your work. Just like this, it will show up like this in your dashboard. Now you can simply click on finish, then it will finish the work, the list here. So this is actually the dashboard. So this is actually for enabling the cookie from Jira. So you can find here it is telling that the new navigation is now available and will be automatically turned on in the coming weeks. So turn it on for your team now or start with just yourself. Now here is your project name, so you can simply click on here. You can find the summary, so you will find the summary about the project, that how much item has been, how much work has been completed. Here you can find this, and how much idea you have on right now, how much to-do list actually to-do task you have on this list, how much work is in progress, how much work is in review that you have to review if you are team leader. Then here is a done section where that is that how much work that actually have done yet. So this will show you in percentage. Then here is the completed task here, updated task here, created and due soon. So you can find it. So no activity here yet, so you can see all the activities that you have created. Here you will find the priority breakdown. So it is actually analytics charts here. So this is actually graph that actually show you all the work, all the details about your work in at a glance. So here is types of work, how you actually categorize your work, like epic or task or feature or subtask. You can categorize each and every text from here. Now team workload, you can find all of your colleagues here or worker or employers that you have assigned how much work for them. So you can find work distribution here and assignee, so the assigned people here, and the work distribution, that how much work you have distributed among them. Now here's epic progress here. So this is actually a cool thing. So let me show you, this is actually a cool thing here. So here is a quick start guide, that here you can first sort and prioritize with ease. So you can click on guide me, so it will guide you. Then visual time frame, gain a bird's eye view, streamline work request, centralize your docs, invite your team here. So you can dismiss it or you can just do it later. So from here you can find the timeline here. So here is the timeline that actually like this. You can select it according to the date here. So create epic, or you can add task here. So you can select it to May, like create epic. So I'm going to create a timeline from here, that create five videos. So we are going to get it like this, and the progress here, and you can use this status category. You can integrate your to-do list in this list here, or in progress or down list from here. So here you can view the settings here, so you can set up this few settings here and everything from this section. Now you can add the people, you can assign some people by simply click on this add people button here. Now let's go for it in the board. So this is the section where you can add your task here. So like idea, so I'm going to use some idea, like create video for Instagram ads. Now to-do list is you have like what we have to do. Sorry for that. Create, yes, simply click on create to lock it in. Now you can simply click on create to to-do list, what we have to do for that. So we have to sorry for that video creation, like this idea here. You can add more ideas from here. Now here is the to-do list, that set up Premiere Pro, then get your keywords, then you can add collect assets and many more things here from here. Now in progress, so you can simply click on in progress, or you can actually drag and drop in progress, that actually the to-do list and which of to-do list work is in progress. That if it's done, then you can actually you can ask your colleagues, so they can put it in the review, then you can review their work and you can actually assign it at the done button here. So here is done, so it has just done, so you can simply click on it. So you can remove done items for after 40 days if you want, so you can select it and you can select the time right now. So timing, how much after how long you can actually remove that automatically. Now move column to the left or set column limit, so you can set the column limit here. So you can add some maximum work item here, and from here you can delete it by simply click on it. Now you can also add some more work column here if you want. So then here is a group, you can find the assignees, subtracts, and you can find the insights here about your all of this work, and the view settings here. So open work items in sidebar if you want, so you can open it. Now everything like work items here, you can link it, and here is the three-dot button here that actually manage workflow, manage custom filters. You can configure board. If you simply click on it, you can actually configure the board here. So like here, so you can simply click on it and you can actually manage or rename your column here, and I'm going to discard it right now. So like here, this is actually automation. You can add some automation here, like you can create automation here, or you can manage automation. You can also audit log. You can simply click on create automation here, so it is the automation section. So let me show you how it look like. So skip tour, you can skip the tour here. So here you can add some triggers here. So here is some popular thing like work item comment deleted, and version deleted, or anything like work item commented, work item created. So work item commented, deleted, are different types of ready-made automation that you can actually use. So for example, add a trigger, so you can add a trigger from here. This is a trigger, so when it will trigger, so for example sprint created, or you can multiple work item comment deleted, or work item assigned. Then you can add some component, how it add, then add an action, or if add a condition, and for each add a branch here. So add an action from here, so you can add an action. So you can create trigger workflow, you can assign it like create branch in GitHub, create doc in Google Drive. It will automatically create a doc here. Then send email, you can send email about everyone to everyone that new arc has assigned, so they can get alert about that. So here you can select all of your people here. So assignees, you can select assignees or reporter or Atlassian admin, and you can all of people from here. Then the subject, and you can tell about what work has you been added, and you can invite them. Now let's go back from here. Now let's see. So here is the project settings here. So you can simply find the project here. Here is the filters. Now the dashboard actually, and the teams. Actually, you have created plans of that. You can create a plan that you want. So now here's the apps that you can actually integrate with your Jira. So you can explore more apps by simply click on explore more apps, and you can view the more app required. You can manage your currently added apps, and here is the project settings where you can set up your projects here. So my project, so here it is. So assign in review, and I have put all of this one, Now to-do list, like post a video. So that's how you can just plan everything from here. So in summary, you can find that 5 work item has been added and one is everything one. So that's how it's actually look like. So priority background, you can find all of this actually added as the background here. So here's the task that actually distributed 100% to one person, that's me actually, so that I don't add anyone here. So here's a board, so I have just already explained it about you. Now here's the calendar where you can schedule anything according to the date, and this calendar, it is very much useful thing. So here is the type, you can search for types here, and you can filterize with status or assignees, or you can add more filters if you want, so you can find different types of filter. Now here is the to control on the calendar, you can select between months and dates. You can select today, you can find today's date, and you can unscheduled date here. You can find settings about this calendar here. And now here is the list where you can create the list. Here is all of the list that actually it show in one sheet here, just like this, one grid sheet, and column and row. You can find all of these, and you can find all the details about all of things. So here is reported person's mail here. Now here's the forms that you actually can create forms for your people. So like blank form, you can feature request, bug report. So anyone can actually report anything. You can if they are facing any bug issue, then they can report that bug issue here. Now you can set up goals here and all works. So you can set up the goals. So I prefer you to set up your goals, the premium goal that you have to achieve, and you have to tell about and discuss about your goal to your employers, so they can actually reach to your goals together with attentively. So here's all work here, so it will give you all overview according to the work here. So you can post a video, or you can post everything that related to that work if you want to announce anything for related to that work here. So you can post it and everyone can watch that post and get started. Now here is the AI, so that AI can actually help you. Now you can find different types of filters also from here. Now you can add some view here, you can add a backlog, you can add more things, some more views here. You can find different types of view that you can actually add, like that reports. You can add some reports, you can simply turn on and it will add the report on here. You can see reports, so it will help you to get all of the reports about your work here. Now project page, add shortcuts and project settings, you can find the settings here, so you can actually get the settings from here. Now here is the 9 dot button here that actually help you to add some application to for your team here, so you can go with that. Now that's pretty much all thing for Jira. So let's talk about the premium plan. So you can add the premium method here, so premium trials here, or you can go to the Jira. So like I'm going to add like create. You can create a new workspace from here if you want. So here is the settings. Here you can find different types of settings related to different fields here, and you can find your profile icon here, so you can log out of your profile, or you can go to your profile and this is the profile settings, and this is the theme where you can select the theme for your dashboard like this. You can select the dark mode also. So that's pretty much everything from here. So if you want to get the premium plan, so let me show you. So here is the pricing plan. There they actually offer a free version that you can use, and here is all of the feature that you can get in free version. Here is the standard, here is the premium and the enterprise. So if you want to test it, then you can go with the standard version for a month, then you can shift it to the premium. So it is most recommended for pretty much every business. But if you are a owner of enterprise, or you have a huge team, a big team and multiple team, then you must need to go with this enterprise and its value for money. So the dashboard is easy accessible and it's pretty much a simple dashboard. You don't need to use any law, any Newton law to manage your work in Jira. So Jira is a pretty much simple dashboard, simple workspace with a simple dashboard, and you can manage your team with ease. So that's pretty much all thing about Jira, and hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.